The Klein MM320KIT electrical test kit is a comprehensive solution for all your electrical testing needs, featuring a digital multimeter that accurately measures voltage, current, and resistance. This kit provides extensive functionality, allowing users to test batteries, diodes, and continuity, making it a versatile tool for various electrical applications. With dual range voltage detection, the NCVT3P voltage tester accommodates a wide range of applications, from low voltage to standard voltage, ensuring flexibility in use. The built-in flashlight on the NCVT3P enhances user convenience by illuminating the work area, making it easier to work in low-light conditions. The ET45 voltage tester offers accurate testing for both AC and DC voltages, covering common residential voltages, which ensures reliable results every time. The RT210 receptacle tester detects common wiring problems, such as open ground and reverse polarity, helping to ensure safe and reliable electrical installations.